In this video, we're going to be checking out the Wyze Watch. We're going to unbox it and we're going to give it a review. I do like other Wyze products, like I do have the smart plugs and I also have the security system for the indoor and outdoor. I do love Wyze, so that's why I went ahead and went with this product. And also because I did have an iWatch from the very first series and it actually is not working anymore. So I went ahead and bought a Wyze Watch because they're so affordable when you're comparing it to an iWatch. It's a fraction of the cost, so that's why I went ahead and went with the Wyze Watch. And you could do a lot of stuff. When this first came out, I'd say you were a little bit limited, but now you could check a bunch of stuff. So let's go ahead, unbox it. We're going to take a look at all the features. I did want to mention that this is the 47 millimeter. There is also a 44 millimeter. And there you guys have it, you guys. I just unboxed it and it's just right there. Okay, not so many moving parts. I like it. Okay, so inside the box, we have the actual watch itself. We do have the charger, which is right here, and we do have the quick start guide. So it's a 3-piece setup right here. So let's go ahead and take this off. The cool thing about the Wyze Watch is it's either set up for iPhones or Android. All you have to do is have the Wyze app. So that's a cool thing. You could interchange. Okay, so all I did is push this button on the side right here to unlock it. And there's the code, and all I have to do now is scan it with the Wyze app. You guys could see right here, we're gonna go with the Wyze Watch 47 for the setup. And all we have to do is scan it. And just like that, it's pairing. So it does wanna know a little bit of info before you guys get started. So now the cool thing, it's going to show you a couple different shortcuts, like if we swipe left to see the apps, or we could swipe right to see the data. If we swipe down, we see notifications, and then if we swipe up, we actually see the shortcuts. If you swipe right, that's actually to go backwards. You could restart or shut down your watch by long pressing the button on the side. If you want to switch out the faces of the actual watch, all you have to do is long press the screen. Right, you guys could see here, I could change out the different faces that they have. And they do have a pretty good selection of the different faces. You could pick different colors, all that good stuff here. So it only lets you have 3 installed faces at a time. And I like this one, so I had to delete one of the 3 that were on there already to add this one right here. Alright guys, so next I want to show you all the notifications. All we have to do is click on notifications and you guys could see everything on here you could set up for your watch. Like it's almost like an iWatch. Like it's pretty close. I don't know anything that iWatch could do that this Wyze Watch can't do. So as you guys could see, if you want notifications from phone calls, text messages from Wyze, which is cool, you got Facebook, WeChat, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp. You got the Gmail, you got regular mail, Spotify, YouTube. We got everything on here. Uber, Lyft. You guys, we have it all right here. So if you guys are wondering, this is all the list that it has right here. And this is just the stuff that I have, but there's so much more stuff that you could add on here that you could get notified with your cell phone. So let's go back. So you got your set reminders, you have your activity goals, do not disturb if you don't want it to send any notification to you. You have your rise and wake. You guys, this does monitor your sleep, so that's a cool thing. If you guys need to monitor your sleep and see how much you're sleeping and all that good stuff, it does do that. Wearing wrists, it's either your left or your right. We have watch app displays. We have running in the background, and we have everything right here. You have app shortcuts. Right now it's just the weather, so that's it right there. So let me go ahead and put the watch on and show you guys. So I do want to show you guys how it charges real quick. So it is a regular USB, and this is what it looks like on the other side of the USB. This one goes straight to the back of the watch, and this charges it. So when you want to charge it, all you have to do, you guys, it is the magnet. So like all you do is put it in the back and it just grabs on just like that. So it's not going to fall off if you shake it or anything. It does grip on nice, and that's when it starts charging right there. So it does come with this little protector. So all you have to do is take this off just like that. And they do sell separate things that you could put on here to cover it up if you guys are like worried about scratching the surface or anything. So I do like the nice sleek design. If you guys look at the back, it is like a regular watch. I'm going to be buying something to actually switch this out so it's more like that iWatch, because it's easier to put on. You could put it on one-handed, and this is kind of like a little bit old school to me. But if you guys like this, you're in luck, because this is what it comes with right here. And if you guys want to put it on, all you have to do is slide it in here And it does have a lot of holes, so like depending on the size of your wrist, this is probably going to cover it because there is a lot, as you guys can see right there. So we just have to slide it. We have to find the best fit for it. It's kind of like a belt loop. And then we just slide this in. Right, just like that, we have it, and the watch is on. We could click the side. You guys can see that the watch is going on right now. So depending on how loose you want it, like that, I like it right there where there's a little bit of room, a little bit of wiggle room, so it's nice and relaxed fit right there. So I slid it down, and you guys could see like there's already notifications coming in from Twitter and various social media platforms. So you guys, this is definitely a way to go, especially if you think the iWatch is like too expensive. This is like your second best option right here, you guys, and it does pretty much everything an iWatch does. And one of the cool things about this watch is it does monitor your blood oxygen level, and also I already mentioned it, but it does monitor your sleep to see how much you're sleeping. It does have menstrual monitoring as well. So for the females, you guys, if you're not trying to keep track of it, this watch does help you out with that as well. So it is IP68 waterproof fitness, meaning that you could sweat in this thing all day and it's not going to affect the watch at all. I've only had it on for a little bit of time, and I do like the look and the feel of this watch, you guys. I'm impressed. I definitely recommend picking up the Wyze Watch.